Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature, typically at Haulover Inlet, but today we're visiting Haulover's cousin to the north, Broncos Inlet. And it's a little bit of a rough day today. It's going to be interesting to see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try to battle with the inlet. But let's go ahead and get this competition started, and we will step into our first round. Our first contestant to step in the ring and attempt to do battle with Broncos Inlet is going to be this little Boston whaler, and they're making their way toward the mouth of the inlet. Oh no! They're getting smacked around early, but it's not necessarily by Boca. It looks like they lost something. We'll have to go back and look at the replay, but it looks like a lid possibly came off a cooler and smacked these guys right in the face. Now, initially they stopped, and I thought they were going to go pick their trash up, but apparently we're just going to leave this one out there to the ocean gods, and we've lost our flag as well. Boca's going off on these guys. Kind of maybe punishment or kickback for leaving their trash sitting out there in the open. It appeared that it was a foam cooler top as well, which is probably not a good thing. So we've got girlfriend here. She's going to try and get the flag back up. Our captain says, no, let's just put this thing away. But look at her. She's even holding an anchor. They've kind of lost a little bit of everything here. Boca has done some damage, and these crews done some damage by leaving some foam out there in the water as well. I'm not going to have a whole lot of choice on this one. I'm going to go ahead and give this first round to Broncos Inlet. Here in the second round, we're going to feature an Aubrey 23 making its way out of Broncos Inlet. And our captain's running this one pretty solid. He's got the boat just barely up on plane, which is a pretty good pace for a day like today. He's going to head immediately south and try and skip the breakers in front of the sandbar, which is another solid move. Here he's going to come work his way back to the north after he's exited the channel on the south, but man, he decided he was going to take on some breakers at the end anyway, but the boat is going to blast right through them, and our captain's not going to have any issues getting out of the inlet, and he's going to go ahead and take a win for the boats here in this round. And that's going to leave us tied at 1 apiece as we move into the third round. And here in the third round, we're going to feature a Hydro Sports making its way out of Broncos Inlet. We're also going to show you how sometimes coming out the inlet is a tale of two stories. Here, this crew looks pretty good. But here's what it really looks like once they get out of the mouth of the inlet and start making their way south. These images will show you that it's not just about the exit. I mean, this is the entire battle the whole way through. Here we're going to see this crew's heading south. They look okay right now, and bam, they're going to take a shot to the beam. Our girl's looking back at the captain like, what are you doing, bro? But hang on, we're not done yet. Boca keeps firing on them, and for that reason, I'm actually going to go ahead and give Boca the win in this round. And this will move us into our fourth round with Boca with an early 2-1 lead, and here we're going to feature a contender making its way in toward the inlet. And this crew looks pretty good. They've got the hammer down on this, pounding this contender straight through the chop, heading toward the mouth of the inlet. And this crew doesn't appear they're going to have any issues whatsoever. They're going to hit these last wave or two. It doesn't look like they're going to stuff it. They should be able to make it in, and they'll take a win for the boats here in the fourth round. And that will bring us to a 2-2 tie as we move into the fifth round to determine who will win this episode. Will it be the boats or Broncos Inlet? Our contender, well, that one's a mystery. We're not quite sure which vessel this is, but if you know what it is, go ahead and light it up in the comments below and let us know. This crew is taking that slow roll approach. Now, one good thing here, they are going a little faster than idle speed. So by doing so, they are keeping the bow raised, which should help prevent them from stuffing the bow. And this crew looks okay. They probably could come out just a hair faster and the boat might perform just a little better. But once again, sometimes caution's used best. And right there, they take a pretty good shot, but they still look all right. No bow stuffings, nothing's flying off. Another big hit, but they're going to make their way out. And I think I'm going to go ahead and give this one to the boats, and the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.